Sir Henry is the guy who built this castle. The build started in 1911 and ended at 1914. The build took 3 whole years. That was quick. This is Lady Mary's bedroom. Lady Mary is the wife of Sir Henry. She had the biggest bedroom in the whole house. She even had running water and a flushable toilet. In the attic, it was very scary.
So dark.
Finally, we were at the top of the tower. We could see miles and miles away. In the end of the hallway, there was a statue. I froze Zara with my magic. No more sister ever again. In Ripley's Believe It or Not aquarium, there are many fish, sharks, jellyfish, sea anemones, and stingrays. It was really cool to be there. Underwater kids tunnel looks fun, but when you get inside it really stinks and there are a lot of crying babies. Did you know that box jellyfish are the most dangerous animal in Asia? They hold more kills than any snake or alligator. The view from the Santero was so amazing. We could see Lake Ontario and Toronto. During nighttime, the whole city of Toronto lit up. We visited some old friends from Vancouver who've moved to Toronto. Thanks Serafina and Jack for letting us stay. We had a great time. Jack and Serafina took us to the zoo. Soon, Jack got tired, so I had to carry him. Later, I got tired, so he had to carry me. Thank you! We had so much fun! And, psst, Max burned his marshmallow! Toronto, we went to Sandbanks Provincial Park. Sandbanks sand was very hot and its water was very cold, and it had an amazing sand dune. After a long day of swimming and paddling, we decided to go in the sand. My sister buried me until I was dead. Bonica Provincial Park had clear lake and amazing picture grass along the mountain. We paddle boarded across the lake to go on a hike to see an amazing view on the top of the mountain.